This is Bob Cratchit's house.
How do you know that?
You just told me.
Well, I'm usually trustworthy.
Who's that?
Mrs. Cratchit, of course.
Why? God! This is calling me out. This is calling me away. This is putting me out. I think so hard.
Peter, do not stop turning that spit. That is the whole secret of a properly roasted goose.
It smells so good, Mother.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah, I think it's horrible in the frowlards. I think no thing you're into this sick anymore. Mr. Squirrel, I think you aren't sick anymore. I'm sick.
And therefore, I'm about to raise your salary.
So I cannot be stopped to. Sorry, thinking you're not really sick anymore. I can't withstand around, Paul.
Oh, Peter, the Christmas dinner. The goose. The goose.
No, now, son. Now you've gotten too excited. You go sit in your chair a moment. Okay, rest a moment.
A remarkable child.
Yes. I wonder. I think our little brother's too much.
I give you Mr. Scrooge, the founder of the feast.
What? Did you hear about the feast?
What do you know about my friends, huh? I'll tell you what I know. My friends would be better off without me. That's what I know.